see the project called Coal Mine Monitoring Bot, which contains a main core as a Raspberry Pi, and for driving we are using this L293D driver, and this is L293D driver IC. And here we are using ADC, which is MCP3008, and for detecting gas or anything. So here we are having this gas sensor, and also that we are having LDR here, and also we are having LM35, which is a temperature sensor, and we are having one LED, and buzzer is connected and placed here. We interfaced one USB camera, which is used to capture image and to display in a web page. Okay, now I'm just gonna run the code. The logic is like, first of all, car will move forward, and when it detects gas or temperature or LDR, like when it is dark or anything, it get detected and robot will stop, and it will capture one image, and it will send to a admin's mail ID. Okay, now let's run the code. Here we are having gas sensor, and also LDR and LM35. If either any one of get triggered by any other environmental change in coal mine, it get triggered, and it will capture one image by using this USB camera, and it will send to a mail as a notification. I'm just gonna run the code. Okay, initially it will move forward, like initially every time it will be move forward until it detects any of the parameter. Like now I'm just using a IP solution to detect an gas. So now gas value is steadily increasing. The gas value go to 200 to 80. Absolutely, gas value changed steadily, and also to change the LDR, I'm just placing the LDR and just closing the LDR to make not to detect light. So now every parameter get triggered. So the temperature value is 140. So that it will send one mail to my mail ID. Hope so. So it sends temperature value and gas and LDR value, and it will send captured image of the current area. So I got notified by the mail with the image. Either if any one parameter get triggered, it get triggered and it sends notification. Now I'm just another option is also there. Like since it is a IoT based coal mine thing, here we are having this coal mine project window, which is I just configured for this IP address with one PHP page. Click enter. It is the captured image. This is the coal mine monitoring with the title, and it will shows the captured image by the using this camera. And here also we are contain 4 buttons like light on, light off, buzzer on and buzzer off, and also it is streaming sensor values below, like temperature, what is the temperature value, what is the gas value, what is the LDR value, and also here we are having light off and on control for coal mine thing. So on, I'm just click light off, so light turned off. I'm just clicking buzzer on. So you hear the sound? Okay, now I'm just gonna click the buzzer off. Here there is a buzzer, we are getting sound from this buzzer. I'm just gonna switch off the buzzer, and also it will capture and it's shown in the image. This is a complete coal mine project which turned into autonomous. We can also make it as autonomous, and also we can manually control the alarm and alerting system. Thank you.